Imagine a garden that doesn't just look beautiful, but also feeds you, heals the earth, and supports local wildlife. Welcome to the world of edible and functional landscapes, where form meets function and every plant has a purpose. Whether you're working with a small backyard or a full-size plot, you can create a space that's lush, productive, and deeply rewarding. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your garden into a vibrant living pantry, all while making it look like a landscape designer's dream. Let's dig in. An edible and functional landscape is a garden that's both productive and purposeful. It combines fruits, vegetables, herbs, and medicinal plants with attractive design elements. The result, a stunning space that nourishes your body and the environment. Foods, grow your own food right at home. When you grow your own vegetables, fruits, and herbs at home, you gain more control over your food supply. No need to rely entirely on supermarkets or imported produce. In times of crisis, high prices, or shortages, your garden becomes a reliable source of nourishment. Plus, you're assured of what goes into your food, safe, fresh, and always available just a few steps from your door. 2. Eco-friendly. Reduces your carbon footprint. By growing your own food, you reduce the need for packaging, long-distance transportation, and industrial farming, all of which contribute to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. A garden full of plants also absorbs carbon dioxide and helps clean the air. Using compost, rainwater, and organic practices makes your space even more sustainable and earth friendly. 3. Pollinator friendly. Attracts bees, butterflies, and birds. Edible landscapes often include flowering herbs and fruiting plants that naturally attract pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and even birds help fertilize plants by transferring pollen, which improves fruit and vegetable yields. Supporting pollinators also strengthens local ecosystems and helps protect these important species from decline. 4. Health wellness. Fresh chemical-free produce at your fingertips. Nothing beats the taste and nutrition of homegrown produce. Since you're in charge of how it's grown, you can skip harmful pesticides and use organic natural methods instead. Harvesting and eating straight from your garden ensures the highest vitamin content and supports a healthier lifestyle both physically and mentally. 5. Space saving, perfect for homes and small spaces. You don't need a huge backyard to enjoy edible landscaping. Even small patios, balconies, or rooftops can be turned into productive spaces using containers, vertical gardening, or raised beds. By designing smartly, you can fit both beauty and function, even in the most compact urban environment. Next, I will discuss to you guys how to start edible and functional landscapes, beauty with a purpose. This gardening approach transforms your outdoor space into something aesthetically pleasing and highly productive. Every plant you include is not just for looks, it serves a role, feeding you, supporting pollinators, improving soil, or repelling pests. It's about creating a garden that works for you, your health, and the planet, all while looking beautiful. Choose the right plants. Pick multi-purpose plants: kale, nasturtiums, rosemary. The foundation of an edible and functional garden starts with smart plant choices. Choose plants that offer more than one benefit. Kale, nutritious, leafy green, plus decorative foliage. Nasturtiums, edible flowers, plus natural pest repellent, plus bright color. Rosemary, culinary herb, plus attracts pollinators, plus drought tolerant, plus fragrant multipurpose plants, save space, reduce maintenance, and support a healthy ecosystem. Design with function in mind. Think borders, vertical spaces, and raised beds. Functional landscapes need thoughtful design. Arrange your garden. Every space is used efficiently and beautifully. Borders. Use herbs or low-growing edibles as natural edging. Vertical gardening. Use trellises or hanging planters for vines and climbers like beans or cucumbers. Raised beds. Great for drainage, soil control, and easier harvesting. Designing with function in mind ensures beauty, accessibility, and productivity all in one space. Companion planting. Mix herbs and flowers with crops for pest control. Companion planting is a natural way to boost plant health and productivity. Some plants repel pests. Igachil basil with tomatoes or marigolds with vegetables. Others enhance flavor or growth. Igachis thyme improves the flavor of strawberries. Flowering companions attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees. This method helps reduce your need for synthetic sprays while encouraging biodiversity. Water wisely. Install drip irrigation or collect rainwater. Water is precious, especially in changing climates. Use it efficiently by installing drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to plant roots, collecting rainwater in barrels for reuse, watering early in the morning to reduce evaporation, mulching to retain moisture in the soil. These methods conserve water, reduce your bill, and support sustainable gardening. Keep it organic. Avoid synthetic chemicals. Avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers helps protect soil health. Organic matter improves structure and nutrient cycling, pollinators and wildlife. Chemicals can harm bees, birds, and beneficial insects, your health. Organic produce is free from harmful residues. Use compost, natural fertilizers like worm castings or fish emulsion, and organic pest control methods like neem oil or companion planting to keep your garden safe and sustainable. Our next video, I will discuss the best plants for edible landscapes. Thanks for watching and bye.